Good morning, all. So, in the last session, actually, 34th question we did wrong. The mistakenly we have written rational and equal. That's incorrect. Okay, the roots of the equation x square minus 2 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0 are. So, first let us find out delta, that is b square minus 4ac. So, minus 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 times 1, 3. This equal to minus 2 root 3 whole square is 12, minus 12 0. We cannot claim that roots are equal because actually coefficients are irrational. So now let us find out roots. X is equal to minus b plus r minus root delta upon 2a. So that will be 2 root 3 plus r minus 0 upon 2a, that is 2. That means 2 root 3 by 2 comma 2 root 3 by 2. So you will be getting root 3 comma root 3. So that means roots are irrational. Third option is the right option. Roots are irrational. Right? So 35th question. The roots of x square minus bx upon ax minus c equals to k minus 1 by k plus 1 are numerically equal but opposite in sign. Then k equals to. Roots are numerically equal but opposite in sign means roots are alpha and minus alpha, whose sum will be equal to 0 itself only. So that means first of all we need to simplify this one. We need to put in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. Then coefficient of x is equated to 0 since sum of the roots is equal to 0. So now let us proceed. Cross multiplication, we get k plus 1 times x square minus bx times k plus 1 equals to k minus 1 times ax minus c times k minus 1. So this can be simplified as like this: k plus 1 of x square minus b of k plus 1 of x, bring this one, minus a of k minus 1 of x plus c times k minus 1 equals to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. And moreover, here we can take x common, minus x common, k plus 1 x square. So minus of, we can write bk plus b minus, actually minus common, plus ak, this will be minus a of x plus c times k minus 1 is equal to 0. Since the roots are numerically equal but opposite in sign, so this must be equal to 0. This must be equal to 0. So that means here bk plus ak, k common, a plus b, and plus b minus a must be equal to 0. So k times of a plus b equals to, if you transpose this part to the right hand side, it becomes a minus b. We need k value. K equals to a minus b upon a plus b. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, let us move to the 36th question. 36th. The coefficient of x, the coefficient of x in x square plus px plus q equal to 0 was taken as 17 in place of 13, and its roots were found to be -2 and -15. -2 and -50. The roots of the original equation are the roots of the original equation are first option 2, 15. Second one is 2, 4. Two, 15. Second option is 10, 3. Third option is -10, -3. Fourth option is -2, -15. This is the question. It's very interesting question, also important question. The coefficient of x, that means p, was taken 17 in place of 13. That means it is wrong one. 17 is wrong one, mistaken. So 13 is correct. That means p value is equal to 13 here. Correct p value is 13. And roots were evaluated. The roots were found to be -12, -15. Since -12, -15 means this q is correct only. Q is the product of the roots. That q becomes this -2 into 15, that will be 30. Now the original equation becomes, you see, the original equation is is instead of p, now in the place of p we need to take 13 instead of 17. So that means that becomes x square plus 13x plus q value will be 30 equals to 0. Check options. Sum should be equal to -13. Product should be equal to 30. So
-10,
yes,
-3.
-10 plus -10. Third option is the right option. Otherwise, we can solve this one as a like this. X plus 10 into x plus 3 equals to 0. This we can write. So x is equal to -10, x is equal to -3. Therefore, correct roots are -10, -3. This is the concept. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 37th question. In finding the roots of x square
plus px plus q equals to 0, the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x was taken as -7 instead of -8, and the roots were evaluated or calculated, found to be 4 and 3. Then the correct roots are first option 4, 3, second one is 2, 4, third one is 2, 6, fourth one is 4, 6.
Option 3.
2,6.
Yes,
2,6.
absolutely correct. So in finding the roots of this one, the coefficient of x, that means p value, taken as -7. This is wrong one. It ought to be taken -8. So p must be equal to -8. And the roots were found to be 4 and 3. That means there is no mistake in the product. Product is equal to q. 4 3 are 12. Q becomes 12. Now what is the original equation now?
X square minus 8x plus 12.
Original equation is x square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now correct roots we need to find out. This is 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja. This we can write x minus 4 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So therefore we get x is equal to 2r4. Sorry, this is 2 6. Am I correct? X minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, 2 6. Third option is the correct option. This we can write x minus 6 into x minus 2 equals to 0. We get x is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or 6. That means third option is the right option. Next, 38. If the harmonic mean between the roots
Sir,
of,
once again, you should restarting page, sir.
okay now, 5 plus root 2 of x square minus bx plus 8 plus 2 root 5 equal to 0 is 4, then the value of b, first option 2, second option is 3, Third option is 4 minus root 5. Fourth option is 4 plus root 5. So first of all, you read the question and note down and try to solve it. Then I will come back. So this is the today's first question.
One minute, sir. Show next page, sir. Show next page, sir. Okay, sir.
See the harmonic mean between the roots. So let us say roots are alpha, beta. That means harmonic mean between alpha comma beta is 2 alpha beta by alpha plus beta. Arithmetic mean is alpha plus beta by 2. Geometric mean is root of alpha beta. You might have studied in sequences and series. Harmonic mean is denoted by capital H, that is given, that is 2 alpha beta by alpha plus beta, provided roots are alpha comma beta.
Option
So
4, sir.
oh, very good.
Good morning.
That means first of all we need to find out alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equals to minus coefficient of x by x square coefficient, that will be obviously b upon 5 plus root 2. Am I correct? Alpha beta is equal to product of the roots constant term by coefficient of x square, 8 plus 2 root 5 upon 5 plus root 2. So here we can do one thing. Let us take 2 common out. 2 common out. If you take 2 common out, what do you get now here? Root 5 plus 4 upon this will be 5 plus root 2. 5 plus root 2. Right. So now h is given. Harmonic mean h is equal to how much? 4. Let us substitute in this one. So 4 equals r, h multiplied by alpha plus beta equals to h multiplied by alpha plus beta equals to 2 alpha beta we can write. Let us substitute respective values. H is 4, alpha plus beta is b upon 5 plus root 2. 2 times alpha beta, that will be 4 times 4 plus root 5 upon 5 plus root 2. Simplification. 5 plus root 2, 5 plus root 2 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. Therefore, b value equals to 4 plus root 15. So fourth option is the right option. Once again check whether my solution is correct or not. I hope it is correct, I think so. Right?
Correct, sir.
Right. So check my answers also, because I don't have any solutions with me. So you check, because actually yesterday we committed mistake in 34th question. Is it now? Later I tried myself. That was wrong. But instead of irrational, we just selected the rational. That is incorrect.
One show 34 problems, sir.
34. Oh God. This is the 34th. See, as evaluating the roots, root 3 comma root 3. Root 3 comma root 3 never be rational. Am I correct? They are irrational. Answer ought to be irrational. Okay.
Yesterday you said rational and equal, sir.
That's only. You have joined later. In the morning itself only first I discussed this question once again. Thirty-ninth question. The equation x minus 2 upon x minus 1 equals to 1 minus 2 upon x minus 1 has first option no root, second option 1 root, third option 2 roots, fourth option infinitely many roots, infinite roots. That means infinitely
root.
many roots. What is the answer?
1 root.
Very good. One root.
Sir.
One root. Very good try. Could you explain the method?
Yes, sir.
What is the method?
If we transpose minus 2 by x minus 1, that's it. It will
Right.
get cancelled. X minus
Very
1
good.
equals C.
Right. That means actually here, what shall we do now? Both minus 2x minus 1, this minus 2x minus 1 cancel. That implies we get x is equal to 1. Okay, clear. Generally, we say that 1 root. But now substitute x is equal, being a root, it must satisfy the equation. So let us do the verification now. Verification. So if you put x is equal to 1 in the equation, what do you get now? 1 minus 2 upon 0. 1 minus 2 upon 0. This 2 upon 0 is not defined. So that means x is equal to 1 is not the root. That means that implies it is valid only when x does not equal to 1. So we can solve this equation when x does not equal to 1. This condition should be provided. X does not equal to 1. X does not equal to 1 means we got x is equal to 1. How is it possible? So therefore, no solution. This is incorrect. This is inadmissible. Inadmissible, sorry. So no root. First option is the right option. If x square plus ax plus b equals to 0, x square plus bx plus a equals to 0. Yes, see, a does not equal to 0. Have a common root. Have a common root. Then a plus b equals to. Then a plus b equals to. First option 3. Second option 2. Third option 1. Fourth option -1. So these two equations have the common root. So by observation, by verification also we can say by observation, just if you put x is equal to 1, what do you get? 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. 1 plus b plus a is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 will satisfy the both the equations. That means by inspection or by observation, x is equal to 1 is the common root. So now
1 plus a plus b equal to 0.
substituting x is equal to 1 in any one of the equations. In equation 1, let us say no problem. This is equation 1. Name it. This is equation 2. What do you get now here? 1 plus a plus b equals to 0. But we are asked a plus b value. Therefore, a plus b equals to, if you transpose 1 to the right hand side, we get negative 1. Answer is negative 1. Fourth option is the right option. It's clear?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Sir, once again, can explain, sir, how it is managed, sir?
See, if you put x is equal to 1 here, you see, in the first equation, if you put x is equal to 1, what do you get? 1 plus a plus b equals to 0. Even if you put x is equal to 1 in the second equation, you get 1 plus 1 plus 1 minute, it's not functioning. Right. 1 plus b plus a equals to 0. These both are same. We are getting same condition for x is equal to 1. Understood now? That's why x is equal to 1 is the common root. Put x is equal to 1 either first equation or second equation, we get the same condition. The condition is 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. So a plus b is equal to minus 1. Or else, so solve these two equations for common root. Solving means you get like this. X square plus ax plus b equals to 0. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Solving means subtraction takes place. Minus, minus, minus. X square cancel. X common, a minus b. This will be plus b minus a equals to 0. Now, here we get x into a minus b equals to a minus b. Already here a does not equal to 0, but a does not equal to b should be given in the question. Please rectify this one. A does not equal to b. This should be there. So since a does not equal to b, x is equal to a minus b by a minus b. Because a minus b is a non-zero real number, a minus b also non-zero real number. Both cancel, we get 1. X is equal to 1 is the common root. Put x is equal to 1 in 1 or 2. You will get the condition. So substituting x is equal to 1, you get 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. Therefore, a plus b is equal to minus 1. Both the methods you can do as you wish.
Show previous page, sir.
41.
Okay, sir.
If x square minus 11x plus k equals to 0 and x square minus 14x plus 2k equals to 0 have a common root. Have a common root. Then k equals to first option 1, second option 12, third option 24, fourth option 32. So if you are able to find out the common root by inspection, directly solve them and find the x value and substitute x value in either of the equations. Then you will get the required k value. So x square minus 11x plus k is equal to 0. X square minus 14x plus 2k is equal to 0. Have a common root. Here by inspection it's a somewhat difficult, typical task. So let us solve them. So x square minus 11x plus k equals to 0. Say 1. X square minus 14x plus 2k, second equation. Subtracting minus plus minus. Cancel. We have this will be 3x.
3x minus k.
Yes, 3x minus k equals to 0. Obviously, x equals to k upon 3. So this is first equation. This is second equation. So substitute x is equal to k upon 3, either equation 1 or equation 2, as you wish. Substituting x is equal to k upon 3 in equation 1. Then what do you get? K square by 9, because x square, k by 3 whole square, minus 11k upon 3 plus k equals to 0. So multiply both sides with 9. So you get k square 33k plus 9k equal to 0. K square 33 minus 9, how much you will be getting? 24. Minus 24k equals to 0. If you take k common, you get k minus 24 equals to 0. You get two cases. K is equal to 0 and k is equal to 24. So k is equal to 24 is there.
Option C.
Option 3. Because you can use the condition also, C1A2 minus C2A1 whole square is equal to A1B2 minus A2B1 into B1C2 minus B2C1, but that will be the very lengthy method. But you need to pick up A1B1C1, A2B2C2, and again you need to substitute. So that also you can do it, no problem. Forty-second question. If x greater than 0 and x equals to 1 upon x plus 1, then the value of x then the value of x is, so first option root 5 minus 1 by 2, second option root 5 plus 1 by 2, third option root 5 minus 1 by 4, fourth option root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, first note down this question or take the screenshot. So try to solve this question. Just simply solving the quadratic equation itself only, so that you will get the x value. Provided x greater than 0 means x does not equal to 0, because 1 by x is there, x should not be equal to 0. That condition should be mentioned in the question. Otherwise the question becomes wrong and ambiguity.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. Would you like to share any additional information regarding root 5 plus 1 by 2?
No,
I think that is a golden ratio. Right. So now multiply x on both sides. Multiply this equation both sides with x. So you get like this, x square equals to 1 plus x. Since x is does not equal to 0. Then only, because if you want to multiply any equation with any real number, that should be non-zero real number. So that's why x does not equal to 0. Because x greater than 0 means x is not equal to 0. And also positive also. So x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here, a value is 1. I'm writing directly. B value minus 1, C minus 1. Let us find out delta. That is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Discriminant. So 1 plus 4, that will be 5. Quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. So minus of minus, plus 1 plus or minus root 5 upon 2. Since x greater than 0, we need to collect only the positive only, positive side. So therefore, x equals to root 5 plus 1 by 2. So second option is the right option. If you take negative sign, because 1 will be less than root 5, because root 4 is 2, root 5 is more than 2. That's why 1 minus root 2 point something means you will be getting negative value. That's why you need to consider positive sign. Right. The roots of b minus c x square plus c minus a x plus a minus b equals to 0 are first option 1 comma minus 1, second option 1 comma a minus c, c by b minus c, third option 1 comma a minus b by b minus c, fourth option 1 comma b minus a by b minus c. Okay, now I ask you one question. Is the question is correct or wrong? Okay, I ask you one question. If b is equal to c, what does it become?
Zero, sir.
0 means
Linear.
it's not a quadratic equation. So if b is equal to c, you will be getting c minus ax plus a minus c is equal to 0. So obviously that is x minus 1 is equal to 0. Linear equation you will be getting. That's why here in the question itself will given wrong at textbook. Here this should be mentioned. B does not equal to C should be mentioned. No doubt.